Where were we, what were we doing when the rain fell in New York? Under the dim light of a public phone booth, we stood in silence. Thousands of words I want to say hover at my lips, but have we grown too far apart to start speaking first? Why does the word love feel so heavy? One step forward, but two steps back. I hope this rain takes us away to some place where we can start anew. I wanna apologize, but my lips tremble. Could this one sentence save us? Leaning against the phone booth, your figure blurs again. Like raindrops streaming down the glass, your face fades away. If your hand brushes mine, everything might just stop. But time won't wait for us. I should have been braver, the regret surging. Can I now speak my truth to you? I hope this rain takes us away to some place where we can start anew. I wanna apologize, but my lips tremble. Could this one sentence save us? Even close, I can't feel you. Our hearts drift farther apart. If only I could feel this emptiness after we part. I'll be the first to say I'm sorry.